This is going to be a reading from the sign of. This is going to be reading. This is going to be a general reading, all signs included, almost personal reading for soulmate twin flames. If you have a very spiritual connection, or if you feel you have a very strong connection, but it's messed up, this is your reading. Okay, regardless of what sign you are, I'm going to be doing more of this. I hope you connect with them. If you do consider hitting the like button. Okay, so let's start. What's the current scenario like? What's the current scenario like? Give me one card for that, please. One card for what's the current scenario like? All signs included, general collective, soulmate twin flames. What's the overall energy like? What's the overall connection like? Right now with the sun card, some of you, not all of you, some of you could be could have got this person's attention. Okay, if it's not that, then some of you feel like it's better to stay single, or it's better to stay where you are. This person, whoever you're, if you are not in connection, okay, you feel like like this person makes you sad more than they make you happy. Okay, like whenever you're in contact and shit happens, it kind of hurts you, it kind of affects you, and you feel like it's better to stay single, because that's how you are at peace with yourself. Okay, for selected few of you, it could also be that your person has communicated with you, but they are not offering you commitment. This feels like a friendship rather than a relationship, and you're wondering if it's better to stay single altogether. Okay, give me one more card. What's happening in soulmate twin flames? What's the current scenario like? What's happening between soulmate twin flames? What's the current scenario like? With Six of Wands, many of you guys will get attention. If you haven't got attention from your person, I believe this person misses you enough to give you attention. Okay, some people, some of you might feel the need to have their attention, or to possibly get their attention in some which way. But this could have been your current feelings, like you wanted their attention. But some of you feel like, after like going through the process, you feel like it's better staying where you are with whatever's happening than mess your life up more. But I believe if you haven't got this person's attention, or if you're getting attention regarded less, more, whatever, I feel you will get attention from this person, because right now we have Five of Cups and Six of Wands, which tells me that after waiting and after going through the process and missing them and them missing you, I believe this person will give you attention. This is for the next 48 hours. Okay, so one card for the past, one card for the past. What is really happening? General collective, soulmate twin flame. What was really happening? One card for the past, please. One card for the past. What was really happening? In the past, you guys had gone within, you guys had possibly retreated, and you guys were not really communicating. You guys were taking the time away from each other, or you were spending time alone and not really wanting to budge, or not really wanting to do much about the whole situation. You were rather like utilizing the time to heal yourself, fix yourself, get back yourself. And basically it was a retreat phase, where you just stayed at where you are, and you were wanting to just find your balance back in life. Okay, one card for how you view them now. One card for how general collective, how do you view your soulmate twin flame? How do you view your soulmate twin flame? Card for how do you truly view your soulmate twin flame? You feel like this person is stuck, they are not being able to make a decision. Some of you might also feel like they are giving their attention to some other individuals. They have multiple options, or that could have been your thought process. This person is not giving me attention, so that they could be giving it to someone else. With King of Swords, you feel like this person is very detached and does not really have much to offer or isn't willing to offer much. You feel like they are very much self-focused, and they are only bothered about their own problems, own issues, and they are not really wanting to get all emotional about you or this connection altogether. You view them as someone who is not a very emotional person. You view them as someone who is not very open emotionally to you or to this connection, and you view them as someone who's detached and heartless and cold. Okay, so one card for how do they view you. How do they view you? One card for that, please. How does your soulmate twin flame view you? How do they truly view you as a soulmate? Card for that, please. They are very attracted to you. Okay, with King of Wands, they could be having passion for you, but in the past, they felt like you were holding back, or you were giving up on them, or you were wanting to give up on them. But right now, some of them might still feel on some which level that you are still interested in them, that you still want them. Okay, top card we still have is Two of Swords. Some of them feel like sometimes you get confused. Sometimes you want them, and sometimes you feel like you're better off without them. So they might look at you as someone who is unable to make a decision, or someone who is not really sure what he wants or what she wants. Okay, with King of Wands, I majorly feel like they see you as someone who is very attractive, someone who's they are passionate about, and someone who they were very sexually connected with or very sexually attracted towards. Okay, they might also feel like you have a very strong sexual feeling towards them. Okay, and you love the way they look as well. So this could be possibly connected. Okay, one card for how do they view the connection now. How do they view the connection now? How does your soulmate twin flame view the connection now? Let me one card for that, please. They feel like you are their soulmate. Okay, in the past they were taking their own sweet time to come forward towards you and to give you or to offer you a proper, like a commitment or a proper relationship. Right now with Seven of Pentacles, they feel like they'll have to wait for a while before giving you this relationship. Okay, I majorly feel like they are going to hold back for a while, so there is going to be this stagnant phase coming in. They might also feel like you are waiting on them to take action, or for you to reach out to them. Okay, one card for how do you view the connection. One card for how do you view the connection. How do you truly view the connection that you share with your soulmate? How do you view the connection? You do have love for this person. You also feel like this person has love for you, but you feel like this person has been dishonest, not loyal, someone who hasn't been telling you everything that's happening in their life. You feel like they are hiding something from you. In the past, you felt like they were majorly holding back like communication is because they were not wanting to tell you what's happening in their life. Currently you feel like they are holding back, or they will be holding back, but you deep down you know that the love is there. Okay, but you feel like there could be a third party, or you are very fearful of a third party. If you do not feel there's a third party, you're very fearful and curious if like what if there's a third party, because we have Three of Wands coming in over and over. So I feel like one thing is that you feel it's a third party situation could be there because this person hasn't been giving you the due attention that you wanted from them. And second thing, you feel like they are not so focused on you like you would want them to be. Okay, so one card for their energy towards you now. Your soulmate twin flames energy towards you. What's their energy towards you? What's their energy towards you? One card for that, please. Soulmate twin flames for the next 48 hours. What's their energy towards you? With Eight of Pentacles, I feel like majorly this person is very focused on what they do, like their business, their career, and they are not really giving you much attention. In terms of energy, I still feel there is this resistance thing happening where they are majorly, most of the day, they spend with themselves, like, doing their own thing, minding their own business, and you majorly feel rejected by this person. Okay, how do they view how do they view you now? Like how do they view you in terms of this connection? What do they think you are up to? One card for how do they view you now? Or for how do they truly view you in terms of this connection? They feel like you are going to hold you're holding back, or you're wanting to hold back. Okay, they feel like you're burdened by your own responsibilities. You're tired of waiting on them and holding on to them and holding on to the connection, and you finally decided, or they feel like you will decide of moving away from them, or ghosting them, or staying away from them. Okay, so one card for their current feelings towards you. What are their current feelings towards you? One card for their current feelings towards you in terms of their feelings. What do they truly feel for you? Soulmate, twin flame, next 48 hours, general collective. What do they truly feel for you? Four of Wands. For many of you, this person does consider you a soulmate, someone they would want to celebrate their life, someone with whom they would want to, be happy with. Okay, with Three of Cups, they are very much wanting to be with you. So what's really blocking them? Give me one card for the main blockage in this connection. What's really blocking your soulmate twin flame from coming towards you? What's really blocking your soulmate twin flame from coming towards you? The High Priestess, the fear of the unknown is blocking them. Okay, some of you, your partners could have choices, because we have the Chariot card, and sometimes I also see the High Priestess as choices, because we have two colors here. Sometimes, and so goes with the Chariot. So I do feel, one, it could be that they have choices between you and another person. It could be between you and their career, between you and their family. Okay, it could also be that the fear of unknown, so like what's next, is bothering them. Okay, so one card for their intentions towards you now. What are their intentions towards you? One card for their true intentions towards you. Soulmate, twin flame, next 48 hours, general collective. What are their true intentions towards you? We have the Knight of Swords. Okay, top card we have is Nine of Cups. So this person will come in. Their intention is to get your attention. They want your attention very much. Okay, second card we have is Six of Cups. So yes, so one card for where this connection is possibly moving forward. One card for where this connection is possibly moving forward for the next 48 hours, if I may ask for it. Where is this connection possibly moving forward? With the Fool card, I do feel like some of you will get communication, or some of you, there will be a change in this whole situation. I do see some changes coming in, since we have the Wheel of Fortune. For selected few of you, I feel like your person, wants a come and go connection. They do not want to commit as of now, because they are not so sure with what they want in life, or how they want it to move forward. Okay, so I feel like with Knight of Swords here, they majorly want to come and go, and not really stress out, or possibly overthink about the whole situation. They want to take things very slowly and casually. They want your attention, but they are not really in a position, or they do not feel like it's the right time for them to really commit, or have something stable with you. Okay, so one card for what do they want from you now? What do they possibly want from you? Soulmate, twin flame, what do they possibly want from you? With the hanged man, they majorly want you to stalk them, keep a watch on them, keep holding on to them. Okay, with strength card, they are not wanting you to give up on them in no which way. They are wanting you to hold on to them. Okay, and majorly stay strangled to them or attached to them. Okay, you give me one card for what can you expect in terms of action from your person. What can you possibly expect in terms of action for the next 48 hours? What can my dear people, that is all signs included, expect in terms of action in terms of, from their soulmate twin flame? I still honestly see emotional distancing. Okay, I majorly feel like your person majorly will try to stay distant. Okay, do not really expect much communication or a lot of communication. Majorly, I see them being on their own, like doing their own thing. Okay, and I majorly feel like there is some distance between the two of you with the world card here. Like a social distance, emotional distance, physical distance, but there's some distance between the two of you. So for many of you, I do feel like there is going to be communication, but not the communication you would want from them, or not the talking you would want from them, or the exact words would would want to listen from them. Okay, I still see some resistance from their side. Okay, one card for the overall situation, one card for the overall situation, one card for the overall situation. With Six of Pentacles, I do feel like there is going to be some sort of action, but not much. But overall, I still feel like there is going to be some sort of changes, but not a lot of changes. Okay, so yes, with Ace of Cups, I also feel like some of you might get new attention, or like get attention from a new individual. So that is also possible. So let's take love messages from your person now. Love messages from your person. Love messages from your person. General collective, all signs included. What your person wanted to say to you now. I can't see you with someone else. So if you are with someone else, they are not liking it. Okay. Second card. What does your person want to say to you now? I want to snuggle with you all night. Okay. One more card. So I do feel like your person wants to give you attention, but not a lot of attention. You know what I'm trying to say, right? Like these are general readings, and may or may not like connect with all of you, and come with me. Okay, so this person might want to take you somewhere. Okay, and for some of you, their family isn't very much supportive of this whole connection. So the family could be one blockage that's holding the two of you apart. Okay, so yes, this was your reading, general collective, all signs included. That is any zodiac sign. This is a general collective. So if it resonated, please consider hitting the like button, because that really helps my channel to grow. Okay, if you want a personal reading with me, come and possibly book one through my email or through my website. Follow me on Instagram, DM me if you could not book a reading or you have any difficulties. Okay, on Divine Soul Guidance. Thank you so much for coming in, and God bless you all. I hope to do a lot more readings like this with you, like in the coming week. So yes, please support the channel, and yeah, see you soon, guys. Cheers.